We made it through one box without a Kobe auto. Box 3. A couple more fat boys in there.
There's like a redemption.
There's another redemption. I was freak out.
Oh my god.
There's another one. Alright, here's the base. Chris Hall for the Chris Hall for the Hornets. Or Chris Paul for the Hornets also. Either one. Chris Paul for the Hornets works. For the new Syracuse Nationals, Dolph Shays. Yeah, it goes to the Sixers. Mark Gasol for the Grizzlies. Stephen Curry gold mining for the Warriors. Dwight Howard golden nuggets. So many base. My gosh, the base is taking up the whole video. Tayshaun Prince, gold medalist. He's still on the Pistons, I believe, isn't he? Tayshaun. And a George Gervin, golden anniversary.
Sweet.
For the Spurs.
Yeah.
You're on your way. You gotta start somewhere. First hit goes to the Celtics. Gold Records die-cut jersey of Robert Parrish. Boston Celtics. Then for the Phoenix Suns, autograph of Aaron Brooks. Aaron Brooks, number to 99. Next card's going to be a nice one, I hope. It's a patch. Number to 199. Oh, it's not a patch, but it's sick. There's our gold team logo manufacturer patch auto of Russell Westbrook.
Sick.
For the Oklahoma City Thunder. Number to 199.
Nice.
That's a nice one. How about that? Right behind it, you get the regular patch. 3 colors. Russell Westbrook. Oklahoma City Thunder.
You're running in pairs.
Bulldogs has the Thunder in this one. That's nice. The patch is numbered 11 of 25. Last card goes to the Sixers. Autograph of Jody Meeks. Number to 299. And that is it for box number 3, right?
Yeah.
That's it.